Yesterday, AIIMS, the leading hospital in Delhi, came back to normalcy after a cyber attack crippled its operations for nearly 2 weeks. Online registration of patients resumed on Tuesday after the hospital was able to access its server and recover lost data. The hospital worked with federal authorities to restore the system and strengthen its defenses. It's unclear who conducted the November 23rd attack on the All India Institute of Medical Sciences or where it originated. The attack was followed by a series of failed attempts to hack India's top medical research organization, the Indian Council of Medical Research. Additionally, another top hospital in New Delhi reported a cyber attack last month. Safdarjung Hospital, which is a 1500-bed government hospital, recently disclosed that cybercriminals also hit its IT system in November. However, no data was compromised when the system went down in a day. This raised further concerns about the vulnerability of India's health system to attacks at a time when the government is pushing hospitals to digitize their records. More than 173,000 hospitals have registered with a federal program to digitize health records since its launch in September of last year. The program assigns patients numbers that are linked to medical information stored by hospitals on their own servers or in cloud-based storage. Experts have expressed concerns that hospitals may not have the expertise to ensure digital security. A researcher with the Free Software Movement of India, Srinivas Kodali, said that digitizing an entire healthcare system without really safeguarding it can pretty much kill an entire hospital. This is what happened to the hospital in New Delhi. Healthcare workers could not access patient reports because the servers that store laboratory data and patient records had been hacked and corrupted. AIIMS usually treats thousands of people in a day, many of whom travel from distant places to access affordable care. Always crowded, queues at the hospital grew even longer and more chaotic. According to the news agency Press Trust of India, on November 30th, there were repeated but ultimately unsuccessful attempts to breach the website of the Indian Council of Medical Research. Congress leader K.C. Venugopal asserted that the attacks on the hospital raised serious questions about the cybersecurity of the country. According to reports, India drafted a proposed law governing data privacy last month, but critics said that it offers few safeguards to people. It has not been yet passed by the parliament.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.